What is up you guys, it's your girl Adriana XO1 and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing and reviewing out Birds of Paradise in the shade Rubra Red. So this video is gonna be a little bit different. I don't really feel like filming the entire time lapse because all my other viewers and subscribers know how I usually do my hair. They know the usual sectioning, partitioning. If you guys want to see my last review video, I will link it up right here on the card, or I'll even link the playlist and you guys can just check it out and watch it. But it's pretty much the same process. So basically this is my hair dye fade from Crinkle Violet from the past 3-4 months. I dyed it back in March and this is how much it has faded right now. As you can see, my roots have grown quite a lot, and my last upload was a very late upload and it was filmed way back in March. So I really thought that this hair could use a little change, and I absolutely love this fade by Crinkle Violet. It's so beautiful, it's so stunning, and if you guys haven't watched this video or this review yet, please go ahead and do watch it. Before I start this video, I just wanted to say that I was recruited for about 2-3 months as a Birds of Paradise ambassador, and it was one of the most fulfilling programs I've ever had. I got to earn money and it was really cool and fun because I got to distribute shampoo and conditioner samples from their new product range which just got launched now. I'll link that in the description bar below. Do check them out. And I also got to earn a lot of affiliate revenue because of people using my code, and it was pretty cool. And the main reason that I wanted to just include it down here is because this meant a great deal for me ever since I've been making a lot of hair dyeing videos, and for any brand to even notice me or even notice my application when I sent it in was a very big deal. And if you guys want to be part of the Birds of Paradise ambassador program, I think they are still taking in applications even now, so go ahead, check out their Instagram and you'll find the link to become a part of the Birds of Paradise campus ambassadorship recruitment. And I hope you guys have fun doing that as well, because I had a lot of fun. It was pretty amazing. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about my hair. I've had this dyed Crinkle Violet ever since March, and it has faded so beautifully. Certain parts have turned grey, certain parts have turned a pale silver, and certain parts have turned a ashy brown. But Rubra Red is a pretty easy shade to master in my opinion, because most red dyes that you use require you to just have a barely orange base. So you just need to lighten it a few levels. It's fairly easy for any beginner to do, and you have a great color payoff. I've not tried Rubra Red before, but I've done a lot of red hair on my channel before, so you can check that out as well. But red is a very beginner friendly dye, especially to someone who's just starting in on bleaching their hair. Okay, I wanted to say hi. Here he is. So Rubra Red, I really have high expectations from this. I'll be showing you guys a tiny swatch on my skin. I will not be showing you how to apply the dye in this video. If you want that, all my other videos on this channel have me applying my hair dye and the technique that I use. If you want a nice how to bleach tutorial, I have that linked as well in my channel, in my playlist, so you can check that out. But yeah, let's get started and let's just show you guys how Rubra Red looks like. This is how the box looks like. And I also forgot to mention that I got this hair dye as part of my selection for the ambassador program. Yeah, it's a very bright red. The only reason I did not use it when I had purple was because I did not want it clashing badly. So I'm just gonna take a second to open this jar. My nails are getting in the way. Pretty florally. I really don't know how to describe this dye. It's pretty florally. It shows off quite orange, and I hope it doesn't turn very orange on my hair. I am okay with the light peachy coral fade, but I don't want it to be peachy coral right now. I really don't want orange hair. I want it to be like bright red. So as you can see, it looks kind of orange. This is not the best way to be showing you guys a hair dye swatch, but this is the method that I prefer, but it's still not the best way. But I like to see how it would look on my hair by just like swatching it on my arm. Let me try to reduce the brightness so that you guys can see it more accurately. That makes sense. So this is what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly put this hair dye on. and maybe show you guys how I look like a hot mess with the dye in, and I'll show you guys the after, and that's pretty much it to this video. So I'll see you guys in like few seconds with editing magic. This is how it looks right now. Looks like I've just been in a bloodbath. Kind of matches my nails though. Pretty cool. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then we are gonna rinse it out with mild water, like lukewarm, not too cold, not too hot, and I'll style it, dry it, and I'll show you guys how this looks. So see you guys in 15 minutes.
Running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found out. Stress is getting just a little bit lower, mine's getting just a little bit closer.
There you go guys, this is how Rubra red looks on my crinkle violet fade. I absolutely love this color. If I had to describe it, it's somewhere in between like a plum shade of red. So it's not like an orange red, it looks like a plum red, which means it has these really deep violet undertones, and I'm pretty excited to see how it fades. I think it might fade into dark purples, but you can never be too sure. I kind of look like Poison Ivy if I'm not wrong, because like I was trying out this cute little green dress and it just looked like an amazing cosplay. So yeah, so if you want the perfect Cheryl Blossom red, this is the shade that you need to go for. Make sure that you pre-lighten your hair well enough if you want this exact shade that's on mine, because this is, I think, the true shade that is on the box, and it's only achieved if you get your hair light enough to a pale blonde color. If not, you can also lighten your hair to a nice orange shade and then apply Rubra red, but you will get different results when compared to mine. And I used an entire jar for this hair, and this time around it came close and it was just enough for this entire length of hair, unlike the crinkle violet. And yeah, my hair feels pretty soft, pretty good. I recently got keratin done on my hair, so my hair is thriving right now, and I love it. I love this color, I love the way I look, and I love the way I feel with this red bombshell hair. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot, and check out my social media, especially my Instagram, because I make cute fun little reels every day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.